Ito ay something most people use every day. Walang nakakapag-realize na kapag actually trigger ng radiation detector. Hindi sa dangerous way, pero enough para mag-show up clearly sa Geiger counter. Alam mo na ngayon, welcome back sa aking Nuclear Science series again sa 2026. Ito been a year since I started ko itong mga videos again at ako'y glad to be back again. Today, itatest ko something completely normal. Cat litter. Most of yung mga cat litter ay gawa sa mga material tawag bentonite clay, which ay mineral-rich, aged volcanic ash. At ito where yung things get interesting. Background radiation sa aking Radii B20 ay normally 30 counts per minute. Nakikita natin mga slight increase sa mga readings, around 60 to 80 counts per minute. Now switching sa aking Radii PRD, nagre-read around 30 to 40 counts per second. At yung mga small amounts of gamma rays nagiging emitted. Pero hindi to what most people think it means. Hindi yung fact that yung cat litter ay made to be radioactive. Yan yung nakakapag-naturally contains mga tiny traces ng common isotopes like uranium, thorium, radium, at potassium. Even though ito'y measurable, ito'y far below anything sa dangerous. Ito'y like way too low para mag-cause ng harm. Kung gusto mo more videos like this na itong Nuclear Science series, please give it mo ng like at subscribe sa akin channel. At huwag mo forget to follow aking Instagram account, link ay nasa description. Salamat sa papanood ng aking first ever Nuclear Science series videos ng 2026 at hope kita sa next video.